How to cancel a Temu order after shipping. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Temu order after shipping. Begin by opening your Temu account on your mobile device. Once logged in, tap on You in the middle of your screen. Next, navigate to your order and locate the order you want to cancel. Tap on the order, then tap on the headphone icon. From there, select Return and Refund and proceed to initiate the refund process. If you encounter any questions related to your issue, tap on Contact Us and type in I want to cancel my order and refund my money. Temu will then provide you with further instructions and information related to your request. Be sure to read through this information carefully for more details. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.